Well, hello, we're in week 3 now. So this is Professor Wellman again, and we're going to look at how your final project is building. So you did your research hypothesis in week 1. You found your series of articles and you took notes on those and presented those as an annotated bibliography in week 2. And now in week 3, you're ready to start describing your method. The articles that you got in, the hypothesis was established in week 1, and you may have revised that a little bit in week 2. So that hypothesis should be very well set, and now you have a good idea of how your annotated bibliography is helping you with your methods section. You're also going to be looking at the difference between subjects designs and within subjects designs. Now with the between subjects designs, you assign people to different groups, but with the within subject design, you put the same people through different experimental conditions. The methodology section here is going to be due on Wednesday, so you should get going on that immediately on Sunday and start pulling that together. You want to describe the participants you're going to use and have a large enough sample size. So it's not enough to say, well, I wonder how weather affects mood, and just have 2 friends that you're going to ask them how they feel on a sunny day and a cloudy day. So you want to have about 50 or 60, 100 people. So that's why I'm putting this out as an imaginary exercise. You don't actually have to have access to the friends you know. You can imagine going to a business or a school and presenting a proposal, even if you don't think you could actually physically do it, because you're not going to do it. So you're going to describe the setting, because you want to make sure you have a controlled environment or similar environment for both situations, except for your variable that you're manipulating. So you're going to describe the instruments that you're using to collect data, such as a survey or an interview. Then you describe the procedures as one step at a time. And this is very crucial. Imagine that you're describing it in such a way that somebody else could follow your directions and do it the same way and see if they got the same results. And also always cover the ethical issues of informed consent. All right, let's look at the discussion for week 3. Now you're going to discuss the differences between, you're going to have looking at how between subjects designs work. And so explain it, what it is, and give an example of what it is. This will help you in your project. So everything works together really, really well. Okay, that's all I have for an overview for week 3. Enjoy the week, and now you're almost finished your project.